So obviously, today has been one of the most productive days I've had in a long time, especially this whole year. Or it's been, the day is not done yet. When leadership was all dressed up and looking, good for the occasion, just so it's with the time, or it's with the wow. Big things coming, I must say. So, one thing I can tell you is that, you always have to knock and turn over every single stone possible. Sometimes opportunities, they don't come to you, man. Sometimes you just literally are laying on them. And just vuka, man. Vuke zubangene and hustle. Like, just don't sit back and do nothing. Lo bolore o ne le jerele janga banyana le ba edisa bele mabyalo a mojaivo o phela di barene di shibinini ka busu thaka ja bona le go jebele le ska ba la ra modimo le bele je bona ba entry ka re bona bile ba re ba ya masomono ba bereka ba ile o thaola wena o thao o kana me mo o sena so se diao ana bele ba fula ba re o thaola zazwe do o di diao kana ka ja bereka o dawe dia zo